Hey, friends! Today, I want to introduce you to one of my best buddies in the kitchen, the Vitamix 5200 blender. I know, it's the dream gadget for anyone who loves to create magic in the kitchen. So, let's dive in and check it out together. First off, this baby has a 2.0 HP motor. Yep, you heard that right. This motor can handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. From frozen fruits to hard veggies, the Vitamix 5200 turns everything into a smooth blend in no time. Looking to make smoothies? This is the machine you need. It whips up perfectly smooth smoothies in seconds. Another awesome feature is the variable speed control. You can adjust the blender's speed exactly how you want it. Need finely chopped veggies? Use a low speed. Want a silky smooth soup? Crank up the speed and watch it work its magic. This blender is entirely at your command. The cooling system is just as impressive. It has a thermal protection system and a cooling fan that keeps the motor cool, even during extended use. This not only prolongs the life of the blender, but also ensures you don't have to worry about overheating. Plus, cleaning it is a breeze. With hot water and a drop of dish soap, it cleans itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. Who wants to spend time cleaning? The Vitamix 5200 takes that hassle away. The durability of this blender is unmatched. With a completely metal drive system, it's built to last. The stainless steel, laser-cut blades can handle the toughest ingredients without breaking a sweat. Whether you're making soup, ice cream, or smoothies, these blades get the job done every time. The Vitamix 5200 also boasts a generous 64-ounce, 1.89-liter container. Perfect for big families. You can make enough for everyone in one go. And this container is made from BPA-free Tritan material, ensuring safe and healthy use. If you want to create magic in the kitchen, make healthy and delicious drinks, soups, and sauces, the Vitamix 5200 is the blender for you. Its powerful performance, user-friendly features, and durability make it an indispensable helper in the kitchen. Remember, this is more than just a gadget, it's a kitchen buddy. With the Vitamix 5200, you'll get professional results every time. Enjoy your cooking and happy blending. Now, let's move on to our next product, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic. This blender is definitely going to be a staple in your kitchen, so let's take a closer look. The Blendtec Total Blender Classic stands out with its incredibly powerful 3.0 HP motor. This motor can easily handle even the toughest ingredients. Thanks to its power, you can create perfectly smooth smoothies, soups, and more in just a few seconds. It's a fantastic choice for those who want to push the limits in the kitchen. One of the standout features of this blender is its 6 pre-programmed blend cycles. With just one touch, you can get perfect results for smoothies, hot soups, frozen treats, and more. Plus, with 10 different speed settings, you can achieve the exact consistency you want. You're in control. Its LCD screen makes it super easy to use and gives it a modern look. Also, the high-quality stainless steel blades ensure you get perfect results every time. These blades can smoothly handle even the toughest ingredients. The Blendtec Total Blender Classic has a 75-ounce, 2.2 liters, capacity jar, perfect for large families and preparing big portions. This large jar is made from BPA-free material, keeping your health in check. It's ideal for big batches. When it comes to cleaning, it's a breeze. Its easy-to-clean parts save you time, and they're dishwasher safe, making the cleanup even more hassle-free. This blender's durability is also impressive. Its commercial-grade motor and sturdy construction ensure long-lasting use. It's suitable for both home and professional kitchens. The Blendtec Total Blender Classic, with its powerful performance, ease of use, and durability, is the perfect choice for those who want to create wonders in the kitchen. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable helper in your kitchen, this blender is just right for you. So, try your next recipe with the Blendtec Total Blender Classic and create magic in your kitchen. Alright, now let's move on to our final product, the NutriBullet RX N17-1001. This small but mighty blender is a fantastic choice for everyday use. Let's take a closer look. The NutriBullet RX boasts an impressive 1700-watt motor. This powerful motor transforms ingredients into smooth blends in seconds. Whether you're making smoothies or hot soups, the NutriBullet RX has got you covered. One of the coolest features is the automatic speed setting. Just add your ingredients, turn it on, and let it do its thing. Another standout feature is its soup-making function. Yes, you heard that right. With the NutriBullet RX, you can make hot soups. This feature is perfect for whipping up a warm bowl of soup on those chilly winter days. The NutriBullet RX comes with 2 different jar capacities, 30 ounces, 0.88 liters, and 45 ounces, 1.3 liters. These jars are perfect for individual servings and small families. Plus, they're made from BPA-free materials, ensuring a healthy and safe use. Cleaning is a breeze, too. The blender's parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. Its compact design means it doesn't take up much space in your kitchen, and it's easy to transport. This blender is also impressively durable. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. And, with its sleek and modern design, it adds a touch of style to your kitchen. The NutriBullet N17-1001, with its powerful performance, user-friendly features, and compact design, is perfect for everyday use. Ideal for making both drinks and hot soups, this blender will become an indispensable helper in your kitchen. So, we've reviewed these 3 amazing blenders for you. Each one excels in its own way. If you're unsure which blender to choose for your kitchen, we hope this video has helped you. For more information on the Vitamix 5200, Blendtec Total Blender Classic, and NutriBullet N17-1001, leave your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. See you in the next video. Take care.